Hi guys, welcome to Off the 10th Beer Reviews. My name is Chris and today I have a glass in my hand. I have a glass in my hand because I'm going to do two things in one video. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up a package. That's right, this one came to me from my friend Dan over at Western Canadian Beer Reviewer. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to link it right above this box. Right about there. And he sent me beer, and I've got a package going out to him soon. As soon as I get around to doing it, hopefully we don't have a postal strike here. Told me there's some stuff in here. They told me there's beers in here. Told me I think there's well, I don't want to spoil it. He didn't tell me exactly what's in this beer. In this package. But if there's a big beer in here, I'm going to drink it on camera and do a review of it as well. So I am going to pop this open. I hope I pop this open the right way. Is there a way of opening this? I don't know. It's one of those flat rate boxes from Canada Post. So I'm going to put this down on the ground for a second. And pop it open. Come on. Come on. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I can figure this out, I think. I can do this. Okay, we opened it. We gave it a rip open. There we go. Okay, so it's on the ground here, but I'm gonna hold things up as we go. Oh, I kind of destroyed this box, but anyway, let's open up this thing. Let's see what we got here. All right, first things first. It's a T-shirt. Oh, look at this! I got a boozeReviews.ca. This is one of Dan's old shirts. I don't know if I'm going to wear this or wash it or put it up on the wall. I don't know, but it says on here, 2 off the 10th. My number 3 something, I don't know. Dan, aka Painkiller. Yeah, so got me a shirt. Yay, thanks Dan, awesome. I'm going to put this over here somewhere. All right, what else we got? Oh shit. I got a pair of socks. I got a beer in this sock, but I might have to censor that out. We all know what that is. That's awesome. That is making me laugh already. Oh, I gotta just pull this out. All right, that's hilarious. That is fucking awesome. Okay, first beer. Let's see what we got in this. I love opening up packages. I really do. I actually have a friend that works for FedEx, and I asked him one day, I go, hey, how do you like your job? He goes, I love my job because everyone I see are in a good mood because their package has arrived. I'm like, you know what? That fucking totally makes sense. So this one looks like it's from the Establishment Brewing, and it is. This is called Smoke Signals. This one's a 5.4%. A Roche beer. All right, so we're gonna put this one down. Good thing when this package came in yesterday, I put it right in the fridge. Oh, I know what I'm going to be drinking while I'm doing this opening, because I see a white can from the Establishment Brewing, and I hope I'm not shaking the shit out of this, because this is an Imperial, or as we would call it in Ontario, a double IPA. This is an Imperial IPA called High Visceral Imperial Hazy IPA, coming in at 8.2% alcohol by volume. And you know what? With that being said, let me just put this wonderful sock away here. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that's fucking hilarious. I love it. That's fucking so funny. All right, let's open up this beer, and we're gonna do a review on this one too. Halfway through the unboxing. Oh my god, I haven't drank all week. I knew this package was coming in. I haven't had a drink. I haven't had any alcohol. No beers, no vodka, no nothing. 6 days now. It's wonderful. Feeling good, doing my walks, doing my carnivore diet. Blue Ice knows what I'm talking about. Getting healthy at the ripe old ages of around 50. All right, this looks fantastic, and I can smell it from a mile away. This actually looks a little bit more vibrant on camera than it does in person. It's got a nice yellow color to it. It is turbid and murky, almost turkey gravy like in my eyes anyway. Oh, wait. That's the color I'm seeing right there. That's the exact color. Yeah, turbid, murky, gravy, pizza gravy, because that makes sense. Turkey gravy all day long. It looks awesome. Pour it off with about a finger of a nice cloudy white head on this one. This one smells awesome because I can smell it, like I said, from a mile away. Let's smell this beer. Oh, this is tropical bomb all day long. Yeah, I'm so glad I put this in the fridge when I got the box. This is ice cold. I love it. Oh, I'm picking up a little bit of peach, a lot of mango. Yeah, and it's got a funk to it. It's got like I want to say a little bit of that garlic oniony funk to it, which is good because that's telling me it's pretty fresh. I didn't even look at the bottom of the can. I don't really care. It smells fantastic. Wow. Anyway, that smells fantastic. Thanks, Dan, for sending me this beer and the other beers that I'm going to take out of this box in a minute, and the t-shirt and the penis sock, because that's awesome. Let's take a sip. Cheers. You know, I've had a few beers from the Establishment Brewing dating back to a few years now. Dan likes to send them because he likes to share how awesome they are. And I'll tell you one thing, this is pretty much awesome. This is almost 100% perfect for a double IPA that I'm looking for in a beer. Good body on this one, high end to medium. It's approaching full body, but it's just under there, and I don't mind that at all because the taste of this beer is good. You got a little bit. It's slightly, I want to say, a little bit undercarbonated. Yeah, it's a little bit undercarbonated, but it's nice because it gives you that creamy, smooth finish, and that mouthfeel is delightful. It is. This is probably packed with a ton of oats. Oh yeah, there's oats in the second ingredient before the wheat even. Tons of oats in this one. You can tell it's got a nice, creamy, smooth, pillow-like mouthfeel on this one. Taste on this one is fantastic. Yeah, good tropical notes on this one. It's got that sweeter. It's almost got more. It's got like a peach mango kind of taste to it. A little bit of a pineapple hit. Very, very little bit of bittering on the very end. Like I want to say a little bit of a pithiness, maybe of a kind of like a grapefruit pithiness, but ever so slight. It's a little bit sweet at the beginning. However, I like that. But yeah, slight bitterness on the very end, but maybe a very slight drying finish on this one. Keeps me going back in for more because I'm crushing this and I'm going to keep drinking it as I do this beer. Oh, and a little chunk came out. I love it. Love it. Okay, so let's score this one. High Visceral from the Establishment Brewing out of Calgary, Alberta. The Imperial Hazy IPA. This is nice. This is one of the better ones I've had from these guys for sure, especially when it comes to these Imperials. I like this one a lot. I'm going to give this one a 9.5 out of 10. This is fantastic. I recommend it. If you can get any of the white cans from Establishment, get them, try them. If you don't like them, not all of them are the same. Everyone's thinking, oh, all these hazy IPAs and doubles all taste the same. They don't. You have to pick it out, change your palate up a little bit. You know, drink something different for a while, then go back into it. You're going to notice a huge difference in IPAs. But anyway, that's the review on this beer. So we're going back into the package opening and the beer mail. Let's do this. All right. What else we got in here? Oh, we got a shaker. Oh, I see another sock. Oh, I got another sock here. So let's see what's going on in the sock. I really should stop showing that image on the video. Probably gonna get flagged for it, maybe. Shouldn't. It's not like it's mine. That one's a lot bigger. But anyway, let's go into this beer. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, see, he packages his beers exactly the same way I do. Wrap them in bubble wrap, throw them in a box with some papers and penis socks. That's what I do. Okay, Town Square Brewing. Never had anything from these guys. Ooh, what did you... Oh my god. Okay. Got a dark satellite Baltic Porter. Now, I got a problem with this can already. You can read it from there probably on screen, but up close, that gold writing on the blue background is not something I enjoy. So we got dark satellite Baltic Porter. It's coming in at 8.1% alcohol by volume, 25 IBUs. It's Willet Bourbon Whiskey is what they're using for the barrels, it looks like, from Town Square Brewing. Awesome. Thanks, Dan. Okay. What else we got in here? Another shaker. Another shaker. We do that to confuse the mail people. Thinking, oh no, what do they got here? Okay. All right. Let's go into more beers. All right, so this is a 3 of something here. I'm pretty sure these are all the same. If they are, I will let you know. This video is getting a little bit longer, but that's fine because it's a beer opening. I like it. All right, another one from the establishment. I love it. Perfect Day Hazy IPA coming in at 6.4% alcohol by volume. Awesome. Let's see if this is the same. It is. There's another one. You know what? I might have to make this video a lot longer. I'll open them all up because Dan's the best. All right, so one. Turn that way. And right there. And there's a third. Oh, no, this one's different. Wait. Perfect Day Hazy, 6.4. Perfect Day Hazy, 6.4. Perfect. Okay, good. Because this one's different. This one is a black establishment can as well, but this one is Skyrocket. This is another hazy IPA. It's coming at 6.5%. Awesome. Freaking awesome. All right, let's see what else we got in the box. Oh, that's awesome. All right, last thing in this box is Dan got me toilet paper. He got me toilet paper, and I love the fact that he got me toilet paper because it's money. It's money. I can wipe my own ass with $100 bill, American bills. So there you go. That's fucking awesome. Anyway, so thank you, Dan, for the beer unboxing and for the beer in general, and I unboxed it for you, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to put these right in the fridge. I'm going to enjoy them. And Dan, your package is coming soon. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. I appreciate you guys, and talk to you later. Peace out. Bye-bye.